Hello students, good morning to all. Today I am going to take lecture of 10th class and today's topic based on numerical question based on mirror formula. Okay. Your first radius of curvature of a concave mirror is 20 centimeter. Find the focal length of this mirror. Answer: radius of curvature equal to 20 centimeter. As you know, concave mirror is a converging mirror. It means it converges ray of light. It means it's form image in front of mirror. It means the radius of curvature in negative. And as you know, R equal to 2F. So F equal to R by 2. Radius is 20 minus 20 and divided by 2. It means 10 centimeter. The focal length of concave mirror is 10 centimeter. It means the focal length of a concave mirror is always negative. Okay. The second question: find the focal length of the convex mirror whose radius of curvature is 20 centimeter. As you know, convex mirror is a diverging mirror. It diverges the ray of light. We obtain image behind the mirror. It means R equal to plus 20 centimeter. So as we know, F equal to R by 2. 20 upon 2 it means 10 centimeter. So focal length of a convex mirror is 10 centimeter. Okay. The focal length of a convex mirror is 10 centimeter. It means the focal length of a convex mirror is always positive. Always positive. Okay. I hope you understood. The focal length of a concave mirror is negative and the focal length of a convex mirror is positive. Okay. Third question: an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. The focal length is 15 centimeter. F equal to 15 centimeter. Convex mirror, it means it is positive. Find the position and nature of the image. And the position of object is 10 centimeter. U equal to 10 centimeter. As you know, the position of object is always in front of mirror. It means according to convention, the distance of object taken in negative. Okay. U equal to minus 10 centimeter. Now we have to find the position of image B. So as you know, mirror formula 1 upon F equal to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. That is mirror formula. So we can take this as 1 upon V plus 1 upon U equal to 1 upon F. So 1 upon V, the value of U is minus 10 centimeter. Minus 10 and value of focus is 15 centimeter. So 1 upon V equal to 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon 10 LCM is 1 upon V. LCM of 15 and 10 is 30. 15 to the 30 and 10 to the 30. It means 1 upon V equal to 5 upon 30 or 1 upon 6. V equal to plus 6 centimeter. As you can see, the value of V is plus 16. It means the image obtained behind the mirror. It means that is virtual. Okay. And the magnification M equal to minus V upon U. This is the formula for magnification. The value of V is 6 and value of U is 10, minus 10. It means 6 upon 10 because negative, negative, positive. So M equal to minus 0.6. The value of M is less than 1. It means the size of image is diminished. The size of image according to the size of object is small. It means it is diminished. And this is erect because, as you know, M equal to minus V upon U equal to H dash upon H. It means the value of M is, what is the value of M? Value of M is 0.6. 0.6 equal to H dash upon H. So value of H dash equal to 0.6 into H. H upon 10. As you know, the object placed in front of mirror and the value of H is always positive because it is in upward position. It means the value of H dash is positive because H is positive. The value of H dash is positive. It means image is erect. Okay, I hope you understood. So you have to try numerical based on this formula. The remaining topic of this chapter I will explain in my next video. Thank you very much.